Hello everyone, I am Rudra Agrawal, currently pursuing a 2-year JEE course at Rathi's Aspire Academy. I have been here since 10th grade, in which I secured a 98.2% in the CBSE board. I have given the RAISE exam, in which I secured a rank 3. Now RAISE is a litmus test designed to gauge your readiness and skill potential for JEE NEET type competitive examinations. It is surely a litmus test because I have been consistently ranking in top 3 in my weekly JEE tests. The faculty at Rathi's Aspire Academy is excellent. Our chemistry faculty is a gold medalist with 20 plus years of experience. Our physics faculty was a junior scientist at RAAISE, and our maths faculty is an IIT Indore graduate. The study material provided here is also excellent. They cover everything from JEE, CET to even boards, which is not something you'll find everywhere. The personalized attention and structured approach given to us helps us a lot in our preparations. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck to everyone giving the RAISE examination. You're in great hands here.